to burn a piece of paper inside and then make the pressure change. This is the old-fashioned way to do cupping, but I like it because it makes the suction nice and warm and also give a good pressure. And for this, I keep, sometimes people, a little longer, depends on, the sensitivities and everything. For cap, they probably leave about 2-3 minutes. I don't want in the summertime take too long so they get purplish looking. But when people have a lot of tension around the shoulder blade, I do intend to leave a little longer. But you can see the fire going, and then I put it on. This way, it's still a little bit flare inside until it completely stops up. You can see the skin comes up a little bit, and afterwards, I just gently leave a little pressure on the side, and you can take the cup off.